Hello and welcome to this short video about Valo Intranet. In this video, we'll focus about the functionality of the Teamwork module. The Teamwork module, and I will navigate to it right away, is a way for you to manage your collaboration inside of Office 365. As your usage of Office 365 grows, you will start using more and more Office 365 groups, and it will be tough to keep up to date with all of the Office 365 groups that you're a member of, and even to be able to access them all easily. The Teamwork module allows you to have a single page where you can see all of the Office 365 groups that you're a member of. You can also search, so here I can search by, for example, team. I can see all of the groups that have team inside. I can add some of them, for example, the photography enthusiast. I can add them as part of my favorites, so next time I go to the page, they will be shown at the top. I can also request a group. With the Teamwork module, the organization can create different templates that users can request. Here, for example, I have a team template, a project template, a steering group template, and an interest group template. But those can really be whatever your business requirements are. If I go, for example, let's create a new project. The advantage of having different templates is that you can customize the SharePoint site behind those templates. So you can say that whenever somebody requests Office 365 group with the template project, on the SharePoint side of this group, I want to have a milestones, a risk, and an issues list. And I want to have those 3 web parts on the home page. As a user, when I request the new group, I'll say that I want it private. I'll say that it's Project X. I would enter a group description, the group owners, like say it would be Vlad. Group members, I would add Sebastian and like say Kate Williams. And then as an organization, you can have different metadata that you want to tag your groups with. So here I have first the location. I can say, for example, this one will be for New York. I have business area, I will say it's for IT, and the language will be English. Those are just 3 examples, but you can really customize this to fit your business requirements. After I click order, what will happen is that this group request will trigger an approval flow that will go to the required persons. And again, this flow can be customized to fit your business needs. You can say that, for example, because the business area is IT, it goes to somebody in IT for approval. If it was an interest group with the business area HR, it would go to somebody in the HR department for approval. So you're really able to customize the approval process as well. I'll click cancel for now. The other advantage of the Teamwork module is that I have a quick access to all of the different services inside my Office 365 groups. As you know, the advantage of Office 365 groups is that it brings so many different services together. And from the Teamwork, which becomes my collaboration dashboard, I can quickly say that for a team, I want to display SharePoint, Teams, and OneNote inside the quick launch. In a project site, I want to have SharePoint Planner because that's where we manage our tasks, and conversation, and then like say for example for an interest group, I want to have SharePoint and Yammer. So it really allows us to not only go to the group, but also navigate to all of its services really quickly. And as an organization, I can customize which services I want to surface for each of my group templates. Because all of my groups are properly tagged, I can also go in filters here and filter by any of the metadata that we tagged our Office 365 groups with. So I can see, for example, all of the ones that have location New York and like say have business area HR. So I can really filter by all of the metadata that I have used when requesting my group. Some of the other cool tabs includes the Documents tab. As I have more and more Office 365 groups, the only way that I have to really keep up to date to what's changing inside all of them is to create an alerts on every document library. And I don't want to do that because that will add a bunch of spam inside my email. With Teamwork, I can see all of the latest documents that I've worked on personally. So if I know I've been working on a document, I'll go for lunch, I'll come back. I know I can go to Teamwork, go to the Documents tab, see my latest documents, and I can also quickly see the documents from my groups. So here you see all of the latest documents from my groups that have been modified by somebody else. So in one single page, I really have the view of what changed across all of my groups. In the Discussion tab, I can see all of the latest conversations from all of my groups. So again, I don't have to go over 30 Outlook groups, see what's been happening. I can see all of it in a single location. And also from the groups dashboard here, I can also see really quickly like, hey, in the SharePoint committee, I have 1 unread discussion. In the public relation group, I have 4. So I can always see really quickly if there's anything new inside of my groups. Lastly, the Discover Group functionality allows users to discover other public groups that they're not a member of. So here I have a running club, yoga people, music addicts, foodies, and other public groups inside of my tenant. This allows, especially when a user just joins the company, they can go and discover interest groups that really relate to them so they can talk with like-minded people and become part of the family. So that is it for the Teamwork module. In short, it's a single location inside of Office 365 where you can see all of the groups that you're a part of. You can quickly request an Office 365 group. It will get approved by an admin and will get automatically created with one of your organization's templates. The Teamwork module also gives you a quick access to view what are the latest documents you've been working on, what are the latest documents changed by somebody else, and what are the latest conversations inside of your Office 365 groups. Thank you very much for listening to this video. I hope you found it informative. And make sure to check all the other videos in this series so you know everything that Valo has to offer.